I be feeling some kind of way. Why give a fuck and let it ruin your day? Life's too short, I'd rather go medicate. Leave it in the air, get back to the chase. Search for the feeling that the money can't purchase. That the money can't purchase. All about the right, destiny is not certain.
What is up, guys? I forgot. Well, I think I lost my DJI mic too. So everything will be out of the camera. All the audio will be out of the camera. But I'm in Miami Beach, walking on the little boardwalk. Here, let me show you. It's really nice here. We're staying in the Bentley Hotel, which is right there. Yeah, it's pretty nice so far. This is like my first time outside walking around. Got in late last night. But here it looks like it's Muscle Beach right here. The one in Venice Beach, because you don't have to pay to work out. Maybe I'll hop over there one of these days. There is the 3 famous hotels right there, as you see in all the pictures. And in GTA Vice City, I'm gonna go down to the water or the beach and feel the water and check it out. And I'm gonna go down over there at South Point Park. I'm gonna go check that out too. This is like south, all the way south of Miami Beach, of South Beach. All right, what I'm about to do is I'm about to rent one of these bikes, one of these city bikes. All right, so I just rented a bike. Just rented a bike.
Funny how it works, should've gift and a curse. Like anything in life, what you love hurts you worse, right? I know and you know too. Sure of my words, that's just true. Lately I got nothing else.
People are on the way. I just almost seen someone get hit already. Alright, let me focus on driving.
I be feeling some kind of way. Why give a fuck and let it ruin your day? Life's too short, I'd rather go medicate. Leave it in the air, get back to the chase.
Alright, so I just got to the tip of the South Point Pier. There's Miami Beach right there. The water's so blue. It's like looks like Caribbean water, basically. It's really nice. I'm gonna see how the water feels in a little while. Jump in. Here's the tip of the pier. And then there's the Miami skyline right there. Try to zoom in. I only have a 30-minute window to return it, or else I get charged like $80 or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna ride back, check out some more of the beach. Cool. Here's the hotel we're staying in. It's called the Bentley Hotel South Beach. So our room is actually right there, 2nd floor. We got moved last night because the AC wasn't working in the original room, which was on the 5th floor. And the 5th floor has a sun deck and a pool, so I'm about to show you that. And then here is the view of the beach. Pretty nice. So guys, I'm on this island. There's like 5 little islands on it. They're little keys or whatever they're called. 5 little islands that are on the way to the city, in between the bay. So it's like you go over like 4 little bridges. Over each bridge is another island, but there's mansions littered all along the coast. Everyone has their own boat. Everyone has their own yacht. It's freaking crazy, but this is the little view right here that I'm looking at. There's probably, what is that? I don't know, some private beach or something like that, and the city in the background. You'll get a layout of the land better with the drone footage that I'm about to show you. But yeah, I'm just exploring the Miami Beach area. I'm about to go downtown real quick to this basketball court, fly the drone over there, get a really cool shot. Then I'll probably go back, head back to the beach and go swimming again, jump in the water. It's pretty hot out today, pretty warm. It's like 75 degrees. Yeah, it's still a nice area. So I'm in this really nice park downtown, huge dog area, basketball court right there. I just flew the drone to get the a really dope shot, pan out, or a pan back of the basketball court, revealing the whole entire city. That's where I just was. Over, you can't even see my hand. That's where I just was over there. Checking out that little park with the islands and stuff. And yeah, here is the city, or part of downtown. Not downtown, but downtown's past that way. But yeah, pretty cool.